Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by eliminating simple power failures. Plug the Xbox directly into a known good wall outlet and confirm that outlet powers another device. Next, check the external power brick LED and feel for warm operation. A dead LED or cold brick can indicate failure. Once done, swap the power cable and test a different outlet without surge strips so you rule out external issues before moving to internal resets and diagnostics. You now perform a power drain. Hold the Xbox power button for 10 seconds to fully discharge capacitors, then unplug the brick for 1 minute and reconnect. Make sure HDMI and USB ports are clear of debris or bent pins that could cause shorts. If the console still won't show the power light, try booting without external drives or USB devices attached. This isolates peripheral boot failures and guides you toward firmware or hardware repair. Finish by testing with a verified alternate power brick or swapping in a known good cable. Replacing a faulty brick often restores power. If the console briefly powers but fails to load, prepare an offline system update on a USB drive and install it to repair corrupted firmware. If none of these steps work, arrange authorized repair. One key tip: note any LED patterns or beep codes and relay them to support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.